Alright guys, we got on the show today that we're playing with our buddies in Haze Bond. It's their EP release show. It's Saturday, July 3rd, the day before the 4th of July. America turns 2021 years old today. And yeah, we got all the stuff moved out. The greatest thing about playing shows is that it allows me to have a free space to actually vacuum once in a while, because drumstick shavings and just normal nasty band stuff gets everywhere. So yeah, with the drums and everything out of the way, you can actually vacuum. But yeah, we're loading up now. We're getting ready to head to Staunton to play the show. So stay tuned for more mediocre banter and video stuff.
Everything seems ominous.
Happy 2021st birthday, America! You suck it off till a shake and come. Make sure.
Cool. Yep. Nice to add a little bit of texture because it's just kind of wide open the whole show.
Oh yeah.
Joe Camden, very nice to meet you. I'm going to be giving this one.
So we just got to the show here a little bit ago and got everything all set up. We got our friends, the extended fam in Haze Bond. We're calling this joint venture today the Haze Birds Show. Because, you know, we're super creative. So creative. We write our music, okay? We don't come up with great names, damn it. But yeah, no, it's actually nice out for being the 3rd of July, and it's not raining, so that's epic. And the coolest thing about this place that we're playing is they literally have a bowling alley downstairs. Come check this out. Right?